This is multiple choice questions of class 9, chapter 8 quadrilaterals, and already we have 25 questions we already have done. You can see in my previous videos. And now question number 26 is on your screen in triangle ABC. This triangle ABC is given. D point is midpoint of AB, E point is midpoint of BC, F point is midpoint of AC. डी ए बी का मिड पॉइंट है, ई बी सी का मिड पॉइंट है और ए पॉइंट ए सी का मिड पॉइंट है एंड इट इज गिवन दैट इन ट्राइंगल एबीसी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू हाउ मनी कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल्स बाय जॉइनिंग डी ई एंड एफ। अगर डी ई और एफ को ज्वाइन कर दें, उस फिगर में ज्वाइन कर रखा है, तो कितने कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल बनेंगे। देखिए, मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम है, द लाइन सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग द मिड पॉइंट्स ऑफ एनी टू साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज हाफ एंड पैरेलल ऑफ द थर्ड साइड। So here AD is equal to BD, it is given. AD is equal to BD, but the EF is half of AB. So you can say AD is equal to BD is equal to EF. Similarly, AF is equal to CF, it is given, but this is equal to DE. Similarly, DE is equal to AC, it is given. So DF will be half of BC, or you can say DF will be equal to BE is equal to AC. Here you can see that this triangle 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here are four congruent triangles 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can write the answer. 4 is the correct option. It is given in triangle ABC, D is midpoint of AB, E is midpoint of BC, and F is midpoint of side it is given. By midpoint theorem, we know that DF is half of BC, DE is half of AC, and EF is half of AB. DF is given. So this is given 5 centimeter. So BC will be double of DF. That is twice of DF. That is 2 times of DF is 5. So that is 10 centimeter. Perimeter means sum of all three sides. Similarly, EF is 3 centimeter. So AB will be, this AB will be double of EF. So 2 into 3 EF, that is 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter. AC is already given, that is 8 centimeter. So AC is equal to 8 centimeter. Perimeter का मतलब होता है sum of all three sides, means AB plus BC plus AC. Therefore, perimeter will be 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. That is 24 centimeter. So B is the correct option. Here write you centimeter. In triangle ABC, D is midpoint of AB, E is midpoint of BC, and EF is midpoint of AC. ये given है, और BC 13 centimeter, AC 12 centimeter, AB 5 centimeter. Then we have to find out the perimeter of triangle BEF. Say DF. DF होता है half of BC का by midpoint theorem. So that is half. BC is equal to, that is 13 by 2, that is 6.5 centimeter. So DF is 6.5 centimeter. Perimeter means sum of all three sides of the triangle, that is perimeter. CDE is half of AC. And AC is given 12 centimeters, so half of AC, that is 6 centimeter. Then EF. EF is half of AB. And AB is given 5 centimeter, that is 2.5 centimeters. Then perimeter of triangle DEF is 6.5 plus 6 plus 2.5, that is 15 centimeter. So answer is 15 centimeter answer. In triangle ABC, D, E, and are respectively midpoints of side AB, BC, and AC. And the perimeter of triangle ABC means AB plus BC plus AC, that is 100 centimeter. We have to find out the perimeter of triangle DEF. Means हमें इस triangle का perimeter find out करना है. Midpoint theorem से we know that EF is half of AB, DE is half of AC, and DF is half of BC. So C. EF is half of AC, AB. Similarly, DF is half of BC, and DE is half of AC by midpoint theorem. इन तीनों को ऐड करिए, एडिंग 3. EF plus DF plus DE, that is taking right hand side, taking 1 upon 2 common. So 1 by 2 AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC is perimeter of triangle ABC. AB plus BC plus AC, that is given, the perimeter is given 100 centimeter. So 1 by 2 into 100, that is 50 centimeters. So B is the correct option. In a parallelogram ABCD, E and F are the midpoints of side AB and CD respectively. See the figure. This figure is 8.31. I think it is of your book, NCERT book. Then AECF is AE और CF क्या होगा? See, parallelogram में opposite sides parallel होती है, so you can say that AE is parallel to FC. But in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, so AB is equal to DC. Since E is midpoint of AB and F is midpoint of CD, so half of AB will be equal to half of CD. So AE will be equal to CF. In a quadrilateral, if one pair opposite side is equal and parallel, then it will be a parallelogram. So what is the correct answer? It is a parallelogram. In parallelogram ABCD, E is midpoint of AB, F is midpoint of CD, and PQ is 10 centimeters. What is the length of the diagonal BD? We know, we already have done in the previous question that AECF is a parallelogram, And in parallelogram, since that is why P is parallel to CQ, by converse of midpoint theorem, P will be midpoint of DQ. So PQ and DP and QB will be same. P and Q will trisect the diagonal BD, so it is QB. So PQ is 10 centimeter, DQ is 10 centimeter, and QB is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter, this is also 10 centimeter, this is also 10 centimeter. So what is their sum? So dB is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30 centimeters. So D is correct option. PQRS means this is PQRS is a square. PR and SQ intersect at O. Then POQ is what? PQRS is a square. And PR and SQ diagonals intersect at O. Then what about angle POQ? We know diagonals of a square bisect at right angle. So answer will be 90 degree. A is correct option. The diagonals of which of the following bisect at 90 degree? We know diagonals of parallelogram bisect, but not at 90 degree. The diagonals of a rectangle also bisect, but not at right angle. The diagonals of square and rhombus bisect at 90 degrees. So we can say that this is not correct. This is not correct. This is not correct, but this is correct. Diagonals of both rhombus and square bisect at 90 degree. In the given rectangle ABCD is a rectangle and this angle APB is equal to 80 degree. What about this angle X? We know, first of all, by linear pair, this angle 80 degree, then this angle will be 100 degree. Because sum should be 180 degree. Now, in diagonals bisect, diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. So, diagonal PA is equal to PC is equal to PD is equal to PB. सारे diagonals means PA, PC, PB, PD और PA equal होगा, लेकिन see this triangle PCA. PC is equal to PB. That is why if in triangle, if two sides are equal, opposite angles are also equal. So this angle is also X. But now by angle sum property, 100 plus X is equal to 180. So what is X? To X is equal to 80. So X is equal to 40. So A is correct option. The sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is, I think this is very simple question for you. The sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So thank you.